It's no surprise that customers are searching for products in new ways. AI has changed the game with people heading for tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity for answers. This is great for users, but how can you make sure you're appearing in these AI-powered results? That is where Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, comes in. You might also see it referred to as AIO, AI optimization. There are certain things you can do on your website to improve your chances of getting surfaced in AI results. In fact, there's almost too much advice with new tactics coming out all the time. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to cover the key GEO foundations you can action today. I'll be using popular web builder Squarespace as an example, since there's a good chance many of you watching will be familiar with it, so you can follow along. You won't get far if you're blocking AI from crawling your site. So this is my very first tip. Make sure you haven't requested that AI models exclude your site, because this will hinder all your GEO efforts. Now, with Squarespace, all websites are automatically accessible for AI crawling by default, so as not to limit your traffic potential. You can check this right now. Simply head to your settings dashboard, go to website settings, and find the crawlers section. Here you can see a checkbox called Block Known Artificial Intelligence Crawlers. Make sure this is unchecked if you want to be visible in AI search. I know, we've all seen the SEO is dead theories, and I'm just gonna say it.
You know what? I'm about to say it.
SEO still matters even in the era of AI search. Things like using relevant keywords, structuring your page with headings, and making sure your site works on multiple devices are still really important. Any good website worth its salt will have strong SEO settings built in. For example, you should be able to add title tags and meta descriptions, structure headings and subheadings, and attach alt text to images. Squarespace actually goes a step further and includes an SEO scanner to help you optimize the basics of your website. Here you can see it's flagged that I have pages missing metadata and helps me generate these using AI. If you're curious about how Squarespace specifically supports SEO, you'll find more in-depth answers in our Squarespace SEO video. No matter which platform you're using, take 5 minutes to review your website's SEO basics. Take your most important page and check your heading structure. The main title should be an H1, subsequent heading should be H2, with H3 used to dig deeper into a topic within a section. Stay fresh. AI loves fresh content. It wants to give the most accurate, topical answers to people's queries. So this is what it looks for when it's crawling your site. So it's key that you keep your content up to date and always offer value to your visitors. Maybe you've been busy and haven't touched your main webpage in a while, or you forgot to update that now ancient statistic you're linking to.
It's been 84 years.
If that sounds familiar, there's a couple of easy ways to remedy it today. Firstly, make sure you add dates to your blog content. This is a quick way for readers and AI to see when you last updated a page, and you can even add a small note to your content explaining what you've updated and why. Secondly, check your citations. Are your references trustworthy? Are they relevant sources or old, outdated research? AI does care about this, so go through and update to more recent studies, surveys, reports, or unique data where you can.
Sick reference though, bro.
Oh, thanks, bud.
Dude, your references are out of control. Everyone knows that.
And if you're finding this video helpful and want more advice like this, we have tons of other helpful tips on our channel. So take a moment to subscribe and stay up to date. Answer user questions. This is such a simple GEO tactic. You don't need any tech skills, but you'd be surprised how often people miss this easy step. Figure out what questions your audience are asking and then provide answers quickly and clearly. You could do this in blog posts or FAQs. You just need to make sure you're answering queries straight away, which is called front loading. It works because it helps AI crawlers easily surface answers to the questions its users are asking. For example, say your store sells sports gear. You have a heading in your blog post that asks, what are the best running sneakers? In the copy under your heading, you should front load the answer, such as, the best sneakers for running are our Lightspeed sneakers, thanks to their cushioned midsole, breathable fabric upper, and durable rubber outsole. Don't add any fluff. Get straight to the point and give clear reasoning behind your answer. Here's how you can add this to your site today. Pose a question in your heading. Answer the question right away and go into more detail to back up what you're saying. Another easy way to do this is to add FAQs to your website. In Squarespace, enter edit mode and go to add a new section. Find the FAQs and choose the layout you like the most. And once it's loaded on the page, click on the pencil icon to edit the content. Make sure you find relevant questions really being asked by your target users. Get conversational. In the old days of traditional SEO, website owners would often find a keyword and then cram it into every corner of their page to try and rank well in Google. That's not a good idea anymore, even by usual SEO standards, but AI has taken it a step further. People are much more likely to be searching for conversational specific queries these days. For example, I don't go to ChatGPT and type in best website builder 2026. Instead, I might ask, what is the right website builder for my small beauty business selling services and products to get personalized results? Review your current website and find ways you can tweak copy to be more conversational. Are there any specific recommendations you can give for your products or real life examples you can give? These can help AI connect your services with niche queries from real users. If you're struggling, I recommend you give Squarespace's AI text generator a try. I asked it to recommend my services using a conversational tone and real life examples, and it gave me helpful phrases such as, if you're always on the go, our lunchtime services like quick hydrating facials or eyebrow shaping fit into a workday. You can refine or regenerate the copy, but it's a great starting point. Next steps, go beyond your website. This is a bonus tip because I've tried to keep all my advice to things you can achieve today if you wanted to. This is a slightly longer term thing to work on, but it's definitely worth mentioning before we finish this video. And that's building your brand beyond your website. AI scans the internet, not just your site. So the more you appear and the more recognizable and trustworthy you seem, the more likely you are to get referenced. You can do this in a few ways. Be active on social media. Create videos to feature on your site and share across different platforms. Encourage customers to leave reviews. One thing you can do today towards this is to create a Google business profile, or if you already have one, make sure it's all up to date. You should now have a few achievable steps you can take back to your website and apply to help customers find you using AI search. And if you have any questions about what I've covered in today's video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer them for you. I share tons of other tips on running and growing your website on our channel, so if that sounds helpful, then hit subscribe and I'll see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.